Okay, students, the next thing we need to talk about is the nail gun. Now, nail guns, and these are the two that we're going to use most commonly here in our shop, are pneumatic tools or air-powered tools. So we call this a nail gun because that's basically what it is. We've got the gun or the tool itself. We have the power, which is going to be the compressed air that we're going to put to it. So now it's more dangerous because it's under power. And then instead of bullets, we have nails. And the nails, or the fasteners that are shot through the pneumatic tools, are the projectile that's going to kind of be shot, if you want to think about it that way. We also have safety. So here we got a trigger safety that it's got to be level here to allow it the trigger to pull. And we got a safety down here by the nailing area that has to be compressed for the gun to fire. So now, to use the nail gun safety, this is what we'll want to do. You're going to take the gun and you're going to want to point it at the ground. You're going to point it at the ground so it doesn't accidentally fire a nail or as a staple as you connect it. You're going to pull back on the quick connect, push it straight in, and then let it go. So now we're ready to go and to fire that way. We're going to take our two pieces that we've got over here that we're going to put together to follow the rest of the rules. As we nail the boards together, we're going to do a couple things. First one is we're going to hold it with one hand and keep the other hand away from this nailing area. So I'm going to hold it back here or somewhere out of the way, not right underneath where things are being nailed. As I push it down, I'm going to compress that safety and then I'm going to pull the trigger. And that's going to allow it to shoot that nail into our piece. Now the nails are, the fasteners that we're using in our class are going to be pretty small and they're not too big, but they use pneumatic tools out in the real world all the time. They use them to shoot staples, they use them to shoot big old fasteners of all different kinds, and those fasteners are usually connected with pieces of plastic. So when we're using the nail gun, and mostly when you're not in class using the nail gun, you gotta make sure you keep on those safety glasses to keep the exploding parts that are coming off those fasteners from getting inside of into your face. But the nail gun's pretty easy. When it's connected, make sure you compress the safeties, make sure your hand's out of the nailing zone, and you'll be very successful with it. It's a fun tool to learn how to use, and you'll get your chance here pretty soon.